Humane Society. And the sponsors, we'd like to thank the sponsors, the sponsor level platinum, HEB, sponsor level gold, Harlan Clark Holding Company, sponsor level silver, EBTC, and sponsor level bronze, American Bank of Texas, Bulverde Animal Hospital, DJL, Singing Hills, Jennings Anderson Ford, Mammoth Investments, Reliance Residential Realty, True Skin Dermatology.
And our neighbor across the street, Howard.
Car Class, Third Bag Fish, China King Restaurant, Greg Chandler Agency, Farmers Insurance, Grandpa's Plumbing, J&D Automotive, South Texas Growers, W Class, ZZ Most Likely to Pull Over, and W Class in exchange for banner and fence.
Hey, honey, that car was found in.
Once again, we thank all the sponsors and all the donors to the car show.